Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in PixVerse videos. So that option is very easy to be found on PixVerse app, even on the PixVerse platform on your computer. So what I'm going to do, guys, is to open up your favorite browser. I prefer the GX, Opera, and I want you to go into the search bar on the top of your browser and type PixVerse. That's EI. So right here, I want to make sure that you already have an account, or if you are not, you just need to sign up and you will get to this window or this page. So right here, what you're going to do, guys, is to go into create, or even you can just choose a template from here, or to go into animation, for example, and you can right here choose which animation that you want, and then the most important thing is to go into create. Alright, so once you are on create, I want you to go into the that's menu or that bar. So right here you can adjust your video or your generated or generate or to generate your video. So right here you can change the resolution and duration, and also you can choose the version of the model that you want it to be on your generated video. And right here what I want to do is to go into the ratio, and here is the subject of that video. So I will explain a little bit to you guys that ratio. So for that one, 62.9 it's, and for 2.3 it's for the YouTube videos, even the Facebook videos, etc. So this is for the videos that you will post on Facebook and the other platforms. But for 2.1, it's also useful for the videos, but I prefer that one for the posts. If you want to post a picture, for example, on Instagram, Threads, etc. But the last two ones, that's for the TikTok and YouTube and Instagram Reels, Shorts, and even Stories. So yeah, so it depends on which platform or which type of the videos that you want to make. So for me, I want to, for example, post that video that I will generate right here with the PixVerse AI on my TikTok shorts or stories. So I will or reels. So I will just go with that one, and then I will finish the setting up of all this options right here, and I will just upload this is the steps, and I will just upload the picture or the character right here, and I will describe the contents that I want to create. It says right here, and then I will hit the create, and it will be generated. Alright, so the last things is to download that video to your device's file and head over into the platform that you want to upload that video on, and you're finished. Anyways, that's it. That's the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.